In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download files using Utorrent. We will walk through installing the app, adjusting one important setting to help keep your speeds consistent, and then adding a torrent so your download starts right away. Follow along on screen or pause as you go. First, install Utorrent from the official Utorrent website to make sure you are getting the legitimate client. When you arrive, you will see two options. Utorrent Classic is the traditional desktop app and is recommended if you want more control over bulk downloads and bandwidth. Utorrent Web runs in your browser and feels simpler if you prefer a lightweight experience. Choose the one that fits your needs, click Free Download, and then open the installer you just saved. As you move through the prompts, carefully decline or skip any offers to install third-party antivirus tools or extra programs. Those aren't required for Utorrent to work. Once setup finishes, open Utorrent so we can adjust a key performance setting. Next, let's enable protocol encryption. Some internet providers slow down connections when they detect torrent traffic. Turning on encryption can help disguise that traffic and keep your speeds from being throttled. In Utorrent, click the Options menu at the top. Then Preferences, select the BitTorrent tab on the left. Find Protocol Encryption and set it to Enabled. Also make sure Allow Incoming Legacy Connections is checked so you can still connect to older peers. If you notice your downloads are still slow later, you can come back and change this to Forced. Just know that may reduce the number of peers available. Click OK to save. Now open your web browser and head to a verified trusted torrent site. Only download content you have the right to access. Locate the file you want and click the Download Torrent button to save the .torrent file to your computer. This tiny file simply tells Utorrent where to find the pieces of the larger download. Return to Utorrent to start the transfer. Click the plus icon to load your torrent file or drag and drop it into the Utorrent window. Choose the folder where you want the finished file to be saved. Then click OK. Your download will begin automatically. In the main window you will see progress, current speed, and an estimated time remaining. More available seeders usually means faster speeds, so don't worry if it starts slowly and then ramps up. You can keep Utorrent open in the background while it works. That's it. Thanks for watching.